My video will help you to remove the adware named AssistiveFormat. AssistiveFormat is the adware attacking many Mac computers these days. This particular adware, by the way, is from the adload family of adware type infections. The adware once installed, starts to display a lot of intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. AssistiveFormat adware may also periodically redirect the browser to many dangerous resources in the internet. If you have found its presence on the computer, you need to get rid of this adware from your system. So, to remove this adware, you need to check your Finder, check your applications, find this AssistiveFormat, right-click on it, and move it to the trash. If you see something else that is suspicious, obviously, get rid of it. I also recommend you to examine the computer with Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. You may select your preferred operating system here, use the green download button, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus, for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.